In this tutorial, we will create a project root for holding the Playwright project. In order to do so, let's search for Visual Studio Code and open it. And once you open, click on the terminal on the navigation bar and choose New Terminal. Now the terminal is open, and you can navigate to any location on your Mac to store the Playwright project. So right now, I want to store my Playwright project on my document folder on my Mac. So what I have to do is just to type in cd and documents, and after that hit enter, and then I will make a project root directory with a command mkdir, given any project name that you want. For me, I will just type in my project and hit enter. And I will navigate into my project root folder. And right now it's empty. So this is where we're going to install our Playwright project in this folder.